Hello and welcome. Let's learn how to play Happy Birthday. We only need 3 easy chords for this song, and that's D, A7, and G. The strumming pattern that I'm doing is down, down, up, down, up, every time that I see a chord. Our singing note is A, so I like to go to string 5 and playing that. Happy, happy. And we start strumming on the word birth or birthday. Happy, and then you start your strum. If you're more of a beginner, then just worry about landing beat 1 or the first beat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You'll see the chords are lined up with where they're supposed to happen. So if you're a beginner, you can do the song. Just land it right on the word that it's on top of. If you can do a little more, then you can do a strumming pattern like down, 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 up, and then you switch. Down, 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 and switch. Okay, and if you're more rehearsed, you've done more of the strumming patterns, then we're gonna do down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So first, let's practice our first chord switch, which is D to A7. I like to use the index and middle that I'm using for the D chord. I just move them up a string, let go of the ring finger, and I'm at A7. That makes it easy to move back to D. Now the most challenging switch in this song is going to the G chord. So what I like to do first is the ring finger on the 3rd fret of my first string, or the string closest to the floor, and then my index and middle move to the strings closer to my face. So go ahead and do just a practice without the strumming hand, only the fretting hand. Switch from D to G, D to G, D to G. And then the next most important thing is to look at what happens after G, because if this is the most challenging part, then we're gonna do D to G, be excited we land the switch, and then forget that we have to play more. So after the G, we come back home to D. So D, G, D. So it's good to practice where we're going and where we're going next. So let's try and put together the song so far, and then I'll teach you the ending. So singing note A, happy, 1, 2, ready, strum, down, down, up, A7, A7 again, D for delta, good, stay here, then go to G, okay, perfect. Now, if you're gonna play this solo, meaning you're just singing or playing the song for someone and it's just you guys alone, then the way that I have taught you the G, the strumming, is fine. But if you're with a group of friends or at a gathering and you're the one playing the instrument, then the G chord moment needs to be more exciting, because that's where people slow down to say the name. So let's say, for example, we're singing to Daniela. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daniela. So maybe 2 strums there is enough, or maybe you want to be more exciting, like just do a few little happy birthday to you. And that's when everyone claps if you're in a group. So now let's practice the ending, because the ending strum is just a little bit different. The ending strum, we have D chord, down, down, up, up. So it looks a lot like the strum we've been doing, but then we're going to switch to A7 for a down, and then back home at the D for a final down strum. Happy birthday to you. So let's practice just the strumming together right there at the end. 1, 2, ready, slow. Down, down, up, switch, down, down, down. Let's do that again, like 4 more times. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, up, A7, D. Let's do that 3 more times. 1, 2, you can do it, go. Down, down, up, down, down. Okay, take a breath. We're gonna do it 2 more times. You got this. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, down. Good, 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 good. Okay, 1 more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, down. Alrighty, so now let's play from top to bottom. And we'll do that a few times to really get comfortable. Notice the timestamp right here so that if you want to practice, you can come back to the video and just jump to this point in the video so you can do the practice where we just play through the song a few times. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday Tanya, happy birthday to you. Let's do that again. So you'll notice that the G I just kept going. We're doing the solo version. Let's try again. Take a breath. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, play with joy, go. Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Tanya, happy birthday to you. Let's do it again slower, right? We need to go slower. And please remind me in the comments, like, Bernadette, do the playthroughs a little slower. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, have fun. Go. Birthday to you. Breathe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tanya. Happy birthday to you. Oh, that was better. That was definitely better. Okay, let's do it one more time. This time, I'm not going to count you in all the way. I've been saying 1, 2, 3, go, or 1, 2, ready, go, and we start on birth. This time, I'll give you 1, 2, 3, happy, and start on birth, okay? So don't start playing when we're saying happy. Start on birth. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, happy birth, okay? 1, 2, have fun. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Now, if you're learning this for yourself, I want to wish you a happy birthday. Let's do it one last time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this lesson, let me know in the comments below. A great way to help this channel continue to grow and serve people is when you leave comments or when you share the video with someone. So if you want to write a comment, let me know where in the world you're watching from. That really helps. And if you'd like to attend my live lessons, I teach via Zoom on Wednesdays and Thursdays at noon all year, the whole year. So I'll link that down below. That's something I have available to my Patreon members. And really, Patreon is how I'm able to do this full time. So Patreon members, thank you so much for your contributions. All right. Well, if you'd like to learn how to play Hotel California, I'm going to link a video of that at the end of this one. I taught an easy version and we really focus on having fun with the strumming, but it's a slow-paced lesson that we breathe through. So I think you're really going to enjoy it. So I hope to see you there and have a wonderful rest of your year. Ciao.